To make your Facebook account completely private on your phone, follow these steps. Open Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your phone and log into your account if you haven't already. Access settings. Tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner or the bottom navigation bar to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Privacy settings. Under the Settings Privacy section, tap Privacy Shortcuts. Privacy Checkup. Tap Privacy Checkup to review and adjust various privacy settings. Posts. Review who can see your future posts. You can set them to public, friends, or a custom list. Profile information. Check what personal information is visible on your profile. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Timeline and tagging. Review who can post on your timeline, who can see what others post on your timeline, and whether you want to review tags before they appear. Location. Manage location settings. You can choose whether Facebook can access your location and who can see your location. Face recognition. Control whether Facebook can recognize your face in photos and videos. Blocking. Review your blocked users list and add any new accounts if needed. Apps and websites. Review and edit the apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. Public posts. Limit the audience for posts you've shared with the public. Finish. Once you've adjusted your privacy settings, tap Next or Finish to save your changes.